This is Ganesh Dikshit. Now I am starting chapter 6, that is lines and angles. So here we are starting exercise 6.1. Question number 1, I am reading the question. Question is, in the given figure, so the diagram is given, lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD are the two lines which are intersecting at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree and angle BOD equals to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So here given angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree, angle BOD is given 40 degree, and to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So here, since angle AOC equals to angle BOD, this is vertically opposite angles. Angle AOC this one, this is angle BOD. Since CD and AB are two intersecting lines, so the opposite angles, these are called vertically opposite angles, they are equal. So angle AOC will be 40 degree because angle BOD is given 40 degree, clear? Now, since it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree, so put the value of angle AOC, that is 40 degree, plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree. Now, on separating angle BOE, that is equal to 40 goes to RHS, that will be subtracted from 70. So 70 minus 40, that will be 30 degree. So we get angle BOE equals to 30 degree. Now, angle reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE means लीविंग द एंगल COE. दिस एंगल COE, इस एंगल COE को अगर हम छोड़ दें, इस वाले एंगल्स को अगर हम छोड़ दें, तो जो बचा हुआ एंगल होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. मीन्स यहाँ से ये टोटल एंगल COE कहलाएगा, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. सो इन दिस फर्स्टली एंगल AOC, दिस वन, दिस एंगल वी हैव टू ऐड, प्लस angle AOB, this total angle we are counting in one, that is 180 degree, and plus angle BOE, this one is also given. So if we add these three angles, then we will have reflex angle COE, that is AOC, that is 40, plus AOB, that is a straight angle which is 180 degree, plus angle BOE, that is 30 degree. Here we found angle BOE is 30 degree, clear? Now on adding these three angles, so we will have a reflex angle COE, that is equal to 250 degree, clear? Now second question. Second question is, in the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. Two lines are there, XY and MN, which are intersecting at point O. If angle POY equals to 90 degree and A is to B equals to 2 is to 3, then find the value of C. C की value find करनी है. So for this, these two values are given. Angle C we have to find. So since A is to B is given 2 is to 3, so we assume A equals to 2x and B equals to 3x, assuming common ratio x. Okay. Since angle POX plus angle POY equals to 180 degree, this one angle POX plus POY, this is linear pair angle, LPA we can write in short form. So POX, that is A plus B, this one POX A plus B, these two angles, plus POY is 90 degree, it is given here, clear, equals to 180. So POX A plus B plus 90 equals to 180. Putting the values of A and B, that is 2x and 3x. So 2x plus 3x equals to 90 goes to RHS, that will be subtracted. So we have 5x equal to 90 degree. Now separate x, so 5 goes to RHS, which divides 90. Now x equals to 90 upon 5, which is 80 degree. So x will be 80 degree. Now since angle MOX plus angle XON, angle M, this one MOX plus XON, sum is 180 degree because MN is a straight line. So B plus C equals to 180 degree. Putting the value of B, that is 3x. So 3x plus C. Now MOX, the value of MOX, that is B plus C, XON को C कहा है, equals to 180. B की value 3x है here. We assume B equal to 3x plus C equals to 180. Putting the value of x, that is 18 degree. So 3 into 18 plus C equals to 180. Now C equals to 18 3 54 is subtracted from 180. So we have C equals to 126 degree. Now third question. Third question is, in the given figure, if angle PQR equals to angle PRQ, means triangle is isosceles triangle, then prove that angle PQS equals to angle PRT. So here these two angles are given equal, PQR equals to PRQ. We have to prove angle PQS equals to angle PRT. Since angle PQS plus angle PQR, this one PQS plus PQR, sum is 180 by linear pair angle, LPA, and angle PRT, this one PRT plus PRQ, sum is again 180 degree. Now from equation 1 and 2, both RHS are equal, so both LHS should be equal. Now angle PQR equals to angle PRQ, it is given here, so we put in the place of PQR PRQ, then this PRQ is cancelled out, so we have angle PQS equals to angle PRT. This is question 3. Now move to question 4. Fourth question is, in the given figure, x plus y equals to w plus z. X and y, these two angles sum equals to w plus z because AB is a straight line. but we have to prove this. Then prove that angle AOB is a straight line. So for this means we have to prove x plus y equal to 180 or w plus z 180, then AOB is a straight line. So here, since given x plus y equals to w plus z, to prove AOB is a straight line, since the sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. So point O पे 4 angles बन रहे हैं, x, y, z, w. So x plus y plus w plus z equals to 360 degree. Now x plus y as it is, in the place of w plus z we can put x plus y because it is given. So here it is also x plus y equals to 360. X and x 2x, y and y 2y equals to 360. Now 2 common, so x plus y equals to 360. 2 goes to divide, so 360 upon 2, that will be 180 degree. So x plus y equal to 180 means angle AOB is 180. We can also write here angle AOB is 180 degree. Now if angle AOB is 180, then AOB is a straight line by linear pair axiom, converse of linear pair axiom. Now fifth question, in the given figure POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ and OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equals to half angle QOS minus angle POS. So here see what is given firstly, in the POQ is a straight line, it is a straight line means this sum is 180 degree all angles. Ray OR is perpendicular, OR perpendicular means this angle is 90 degree, we can write both the angles are 90 degree. PQ and OS is another ray, PQ पे है perpendicular, OS is another ray, OS एक और लाइन है जो OP और OR के बीच में आ रही है. क्लियर, प्रूफ करना है ये ROS is half of angle QOS minus POS. So here given ray OR perpendicular to PQ and we have to prove angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Since OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore angle POR equals to angle QOR and both angles are 90 degree because it is perpendicular. Since angle POR, this one, angle POR equals to angle POS plus angle ROS. Clear? Adjacent angle property. Now POR is given 90, so 90 equals to angle POS plus angle ROS. Now 90 minus angle ROS, this angle ROS shifted to LHS, so it will be subtracted from 90 equals to angle POS. This is equation 2 we assume. Now angle QOR plus angle ROS, angle QOR, see this, QOR plus angle ROS equals to angle QOS, again adjacent angle property. So QOR is given 90 degree plus angle ROS equals to angle QOS. This is equation 3 we assume. QOR is given 90 degree here. This one is also given 90. Clear? Now on subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, equation 2 में से 3 में से माइनस कर रहे हैं 2 को. So equation third, LHS 90 plus angle ROS minus LHS of second, that is 90 minus angle ROS put in bracket, equals to RHS of third, that is QOS, minus RHS of second, that is angle POS. Now open the bracket, so 90 plus ROS as it is, minus goes to inside, so minus 90 degree and it is minus minus plus, so it is plus angle ROS equals to QOS minus POS. Now 90 minus 90, these are cancelled, angle ROS plus angle ROS, that will be 2 angle ROS equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. This 2 goes to divide, so we can write angle ROS equals to half angle QOS minus angle POS. This is question 5. Now move to question number 6. Sixth question is, it is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Here we draw an angle XYZ, it is angle 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. XY को produce किया P तक, तो left में produce कर दिया P point तक. Draw figure from the given information, it is drawn. After this, if ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, YQ this one ray bisect angle ZYP, this one. Clear? So both the angles are equal, we assume X. Then find angle XYQ. Angle XYQ means 64 plus X we have to find, and reflex angle Q by P. Reflex angle Q by P. This one Q by P means X को छोड़ के बाकी remaining angle आपको find करना है. Clear? So here given angle XYZ equal to 64 degree, YQ bisect angle ZYP. To find angle XYQ and reflex angle Q by P. Since YQ bisect angle ZYP, it is given here. Therefore angle ZYQ equals to angle QYP and it is assumed as X. इसको X मान लिया. Now angle ZYP plus angle XYZ equals to 180 degree by linear pair angles. Clear? Here see this angle ZYP plus angle ZYX, sum is 180 degree. Now ZYP is x plus x, so it is 2x plus 64 equals to 180 degree. Now x and x, 2x here, 64 goes to RHS, so it is subtracted from 180, then we have 116 degree. Now 2 goes to in RHS, which is divides 116, so x equals to 116 upon 2, that is 58 degree. Now we have to find angle XYQ, this is also we have to find. So XYQ equals to 64 plus x, XYQ that is 64 plus x, so it is 64 plus 58 degree, that is 122 degree. Now we have to find reflex angle Q by P. We have to find reflex angle Q by P, and we know reflex angle and the angle equals to 360 degree. So reflex angle Q by P means QYP, this one angle, and reflex angle means except this angle, means total angle at a point, that is 360 degree. This is we have to find Q by P is x equals to 360. Now x goes to RHS, that is subtracted from 360, put the value of x, that is 58 degree, here we found. So 360 minus 58, that is 302. So we have reflex angle Q by P, that is 302 degree.